Have a fantabulous day, everyone. A greeting from Jamal Muhammad College students, Department of Information Technology. We proudly present computer graphics presentation on plasma panels. Generally, a plasma display is a type of a flat panel display that uses plasma as an electronically charged ionized gases to eliminate each pixel in order to produce a display output. It is commonly used in large television display of 30-inch higher. Plasma display is also known as glass plasma displays. A panel of plasma display typically compresses millions of tiny compartments in between two panels of glasses. These compartments, bulbs or cells, hold a mixture of noble gases and a minuscule amount of other gases such as mercury vapors. Some of the electron strikes mercury particle as the electrons move through the plasma, momentarily increasing the energy level of an atom until the excess energy is shelled. Mercury shelled the energy as ultraviolet photons. The UV photon then strikes phosphorus that is painted on the inside of the cell. Plasma display are different from liquid crystal displays, that is LCDs. Another lightweight flat screen. Currently, plasma panels cannot be economically manufactured in screen size smaller than 82 centimeters. The native plasmas in television resolutions. Fixed pixel display such as plasma TV scales the video image of each income signals to native resolutions of the display panels. The common native resolution for panel display are 853 x 480 or 1020 x 1080. As a result, a picture quality varies depending on the performance of the video scaling processor, an upscaling and downscaling algorithm used by each display manufacturer. As a coin has two sides, there are always advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of plasma display. Capable of producing a deeper black on allowing for superior contrast ratio, as they are used in the same or a similar process as are used in the CRT displays. Plasma colors reproduction is very similar to that of CRT. Less visible motion blur in large part to very high refresh rates and faster response time, contributing to the superior performance when displaying content with significant amount of rapid motion, unaffected by the clouding from the polishing process. Some LCD panels types like IPS requires a polishing process that can be introduced as using refers to as clouding. Less expensive for the buyers per square inch, particularly when equivalent performance is considered. The disadvantages of plasma display. Early generation display were more sufficient to screen burn in, and image recent models have pixel arbiter that moves the entire picture slower than it is noticeable to human eyes, which reduce the eye effect of burn in but does not prevent it. Early generation display has processors that lost luminosity over the times, resulting in gradual decline of absolute image brightness. Newer models have more lifespans, longer than older CRTs. Uses more electrical power on average an LCD screen using LED backlights. Older CCFL backgrounds for LCD panels used quite a bit more power, and older plasma TVs used quite a bit more power than recent models. For those who listen to radios, the radio frequency interference from these devices can be irritating or disabling. Plasma display areas are generally heavier than LCDs and may require more careful. Thank you for giving such a wonderful opportunity, ma'am.